to the summer season. The summer season, what is the summer season? You have studied in your early classes about the summer season. About the summer season. In this season, the sun rays fall vertically over the northern hemisphere. Can you see here to the top? Yes, it will be severe hot. Hence, the temperature is very high in India. It is hot, dry, and sluttery. And to the west part of India, where we have Rajasthan, the highest recorded temperature, the place at Ganganagar in Rajasthan, recordable, the temperature will be of 49.4 degrees Celsius. That is to Rajasthan. So here in our Bangalore, when we have minimum climate of 28 and 29, we cannot bear. Imagine the climate to the Rajasthan, the Thar Desert of India, right? So now, in this, the convectional rainfall occurs locally in some part of the country is known as Andes. That is, in Uttar Pradesh, they call it by Kala Vaisakhi, in West Bengal, and mango showers in Kerala, and the mango crop and coffee blossom. So that means for Andes, mango showers, coffee blossom, Kala Vaisakhi, same refers the meaning. Convectional rainfall occurs in some part of the country is called as, it may be Andes, it may be Kala Vaisakhi, mango shower or coffee blossom. Okay? And in Karnataka, so where we have the beneficial crop that is called coffee crop. And during this period in summer, India receives 1 to 10% of annual rainfall during summer. And one more important thing for specialty of our India. Here all we can see the temperature, but here annual rainfall to the 10% where we cannot see. It never takes place the rainfall, especially here to south part of India, that is Tamil Nadu. It will be severe hot. And the next season we are going to learn about rainy season. Rainy season is also known as southwest monsoon. Okay? Rainy season is also known as southwest monsoon. And in this, the temperature rises by the end of summer. As the summer gets completed, we have one more season, that is from rainy season starts from the month of June to mid-September. During this period, where we have the two branches, that is the west we have what sea? Arabian Sea. And to the east we have Bay of Bengal. And to the south we have Indian Ocean. So, hence the moisture lag in the winds that blow from southwest. This one, can you observe? The winds, the ladder of the wind from southwest in India, and they bring rainfall to different part of states. This. And there are two branches, as I said here, that is Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal. So here, it is known as the southwest monsoon. The Arabian Sea branch, that is to the west, the western Ghats, can you see children here? Western Ghats. This causes heavy rainfall only towards west side of India due to Western Ghats. And one more side, if you observe, to this part, it begins from here and end to this. The meeting point, it is known as Nilgiri Hills. So this is called the Eastern Ghats. The rainfall decreases. Here it will be heavy, but here the rainfall will be less, decrease towards to the eastern slope, because why? Here we have Arabian Sea. And here to the Western Ghat, it lies, and if it is less rainfall and heavy rainfall, it will be in form of opposite. Heavy, low. Sometimes heavy, and here, if it is heavy rainfall, here the climate will be very dull in formation of rain shadow area, that is to the west part of India. And now let us go to the Bay of Bengal. This Bay of Bengal, here when there is rain shadowy, heavy rainfall, can you observe these places to the east part of India? Yes, here it will be heavy rainfall. That is due to Bay of Bengal. It causes a heavy rainfall here. Here we have the Hidro region, that is Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura. These all are hilly located area where it used to have a heavy rainfall. And the recordable rainfall in our India is Meghalaya in Mawasiran, 1142 centimeter rainfall, complete rainfall region. The heavy rainfall occur in Meghalaya. And when we observe here to the northwest, it will be decrease of rainfall. Here it will be heavy and here it will be less rainfall. I hope you followed children here the two branches. Shall we move on to the next? The next season we are going to learn that is retreating monsoon season. From which month it begins? It begins as soon as the rainy season, that is mid-September. Mid-September to November, it is known as retreating monsoon. Anyhow, we are in the month of September, as in the mid-September. So now the season called retreating monsoon. Now we are in that season itself. So what it is? So it may be a rain the complete September or the retreating monsoon complete starts from October. Due to increase of temperature, low pressure area is gradually placed by high pressure. In the sense, as we studied in the map here, high temperature and low temperature, high rainfall, low rainfall here. Then in this, a low pressure area developed over the Bay of Bengal. To this part here I said you have heavy rainfall and less rainfall area, and here low pressurized area to the Bay of Bengal that result to the southwest monsoon that starts retreating. No rainfall, but the climate is going to be very dull. You can observe to this month and to the next month also, where it starts blowing from northeast, that is from this part, north and east part towards the sea. If it is getting affected here, it affects to the south part of India here. Here we have the Himalayas, but here we have the seas here. Hence, this season is known as Northeast Monsoon season for this. And in this, India receives only 13% of annual rainfall during this mid-September till November. And here, the coast of Tamil Nadu, here to the below, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, these three locations, rainfall during here, these three places during this month, it takes place of rainfall, that is mid-September to November, that is Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. And here, when we have to the east part of India, as I said here, Meghalaya, Assam, Tripura, to this side, here we have the sea called the Bay of Bengal. During the season, it causes to this month the natural disaster in form of cyclones and storms. These take place over here to this part, that is to the east part of India. Okay. Now, after learning to this, now let us learn the distribution of rainfall. Now, let us learn the next, that is distribution of rainfall in India. This is modified into three zones. Number one called area with very low rainfall. Yes, when we take the low rainfall place, where our mind gets set? Yes, that is to Rajasthan, the desert region. So where to this part, the Thar desert region of India, Rajasthan, very less rainfall, and below we have the few more places like Punjab, adjoining places Punjab, Haryana. Area with low rainfall, as I was saying you. So here, the Thar desert of Rajasthan, and can you see these yellow pictures in this map? Yes, this is very low rainfall area, Haryana, Punjab, and then we have the Gujarat, these all are low rainfall. And when we come here to the Ghat, this full part comes here for low rainfall. Royali of Jaisalmer of Rajasthan, that also is of very low rainfall. Imagine what will be the annual rainfall over there to that place. Only 8.3 centimeter, and it is one of the driest places in India. Which place is that? Rajasthan. And next let us move to the second classification, that is area with moderate rainfall. Moderate means 50 to 100. Next is area with moderate rainfall. The moderate rainfall is from 50 to 100 centimeter. That is to the northern Punjab. Just see this green picture children here, and you can come to know wherever we have this light green, that is a very low moderate rainfall area. And then when we come to the south, that is to Kanyakumari, the Cape of Kanyakumari, here also we have a moderate rainfall. And in the north and narrow, so it is a very narrow comprehension place, that is to the peninsula India between the western. So from top to here, peninsula here, the Ghats we have, the western Ghats and eastern Ghats are very narrow. These all are very narrow, they are not very broader. And the third comes area with heavy rainfall, continuous rainfall. The continuous rainfall begins from 100 to 250 centimeter. We can find there are four separate belts. One is called a narrow belt here to the western Ghats, and a belt from Jammu Hills to the north part, Himachal, then comes Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. So this full it is of heavy rainfall where we have the Ganga river and here we have river Kosi. These all we have the heavy rainfall and just to bring heavy rainfall continuously. And next we have the West Bengal. So to the next previous class you learn about the different type of rivers which used to have a heavy rainfall, why it is and what are the locations and what it is titled. So here we have the northern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, which are adjoining places from north to east part of India. And when we see to the east, here we have the Meghalaya, also located to the zone, gets heavy rainfall, recordable rainfall in India, and to the west coast, and the western side where we have the Western Ghats. As I said in previous explanation, here rainfall plays a vital role here, rain shadowy and heavy rainfall opposite here. So but this part and here take place as a natural disaster and here it will be a heavy rainfall where we have the three seas, that is to the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. Yes children, I hope you have followed this topic. So as I showed you the map and to the beginning also in video I told you page number 108 you have the map that you have to draw and locate the distribution of rainfall in colorful way. Thank you children.